Give me a few minutes of your time and I'll teach you my 4-step process to overcoming social anxiety and shyness. I've used this system on myself, so I know it works. As you go through the process, it will get progressively harder. And we're going to use the principle of progressive overload, like we do in the gym. And just to show you that my methods work, when I was younger, I used to be so shy. Literally, my parents used to go to Parents' Day, like of school, like teacher's evening. And the teachers always used to say the same thing. He's a good student, but I don't even know what he sounds like. Going from that to how I am right now, like I can start a conversation with someone. I'm literally recording videos. It's a big step and I'm happy with it. And I want to share what I've done with you so you can do the same. So you can go through the same transformation. Because let me tell you, bro, you don't know how much shyness holds you back. You don't even know, bro. That claustrophobic feeling you feel like literally inside your own body, that fear of opening your mouth and saying something because of others and your environment, it's debilitating. So I don't want you to go through the same thing. So let me help you overcome it. So, step number 1. Now let me tell you something. When you do these things, ideally you do them when you're on your own. Because I know how awkward it could be when you're out with family or like friends or something. So go out on your own, maybe like when you're going out to the gym or maybe going shopping, I don't know. Just do these things when you're out alone. That's all I'm saying. Step number 1, a good morning. When you're out alone and you see someone, just say good morning to them. You don't have to say anything else. Now, okay, it's not going to be 6 p.m. and you say good morning, but good morning, good evening, have a nice day. Don't say good night because it sounds threatening, bro. But you can say, hey man, have a good night. Or like, have a nice evening. There's nothing wrong with that. You're literally, as you're passing by someone else, have a good day, man. That's all it is. And like that, you're overcoming your fear of speaking to people. Because I know how awkward it could feel. It's like the weight of the fear of how they might react. It feels crushing. But something so simple, it literally can't go wrong. Now, the better you get at this, the better your tone will be. So instead of using like a pussy-ass tone like, good morning, you'll actually say an actual good morning. So action step 1, as you're walking by someone, just say good morning, have a nice day, have a nice evening. That's all. Step number 2, a little more advanced. This is getting a bit harder. As you're walking by a guy, now specifically a guy, because it's easier to talk to men than it is to women. We'll get to women in a second. Don't be scared. Or as you should be. Now, as you're walking by a guy, I want you to just fist bump him. Now, you're not going to do it randomly, like you're walking by him and you just stick out your fist, because you'll take him by surprise. But you could do this in tandem with number 1. So you could say, good morning, man, and just stick out your fist. Like that, he'll just fist bump you and say good morning. There's literally nothing that can go wrong. Or else, there's another one. And I got this from Hamza, and I like it. You're like walking by the guy, and you say, yes, bro. Because it's such an easy way to like encourage the person. Because I guarantee that guy will have a better day, or you will put him in a better move. You will put that guy in a better mood than he was beforehand, before he met you. And that's a great feeling, bro. Imagine having the feeling, knowing that you improved someone's day. Now, real quick, I'm Benjamin. I'm a young man on self-improvement and I help other young men improve their lives through daily and simple self-improvement. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe. Do all of that stuff for the algorithm so I can get the content out to more people, so I can help more people like you. Alright, bro. So, action step number 2, fist bump. You can do this with number 1, so a good morning and a fist bump, or else you can say yes, bro, and fist bump. That's all. Number 3, now it's getting harder, a compliment. Now, this might feel really awkward because you have to put in the effort to actually start the conversation. You see a guy, and maybe you like the way he's dressed. I like this because it's such an easy way to start a conversation. You go up to him. Hey man, I like your style. I've been trying to improve my fashion. Can you give me some tips? And literally like that, you complimented him. You're friendly and you got into a conversation. There's literally no reason as to why he would be like aggressive towards you. He can only have a positive reaction to you. Now, unless he's having a really bad day, now then you can't do anything about it. But like that, he's actually getting some sort of appreciation. And think of it from his point of view. Someone came up to him. He complimented him and he's asking for advice. So he's putting his trust into him. So that guy will probably have a positive response to you. And then when you're like starting to feel awkward, or you start to sweat, or you start to like shake, you can just end the conversation. You'll be like, hey man, I'm sorry I have to go. It was nice speaking to you. And you just leave. It's a polite exit. There's nothing wrong with that. If it makes you feel any better, you'll probably never see these people ever again. There's nothing to be afraid of, really. Except number 4, and I'll get to it. Number 4, the cold approach. Now, before your monkey brain starts thinking about all kinds of excuses, just listen up. The approach is the win. We have so many people thinking, oh, I need to get the contact information, I need to get the number, the Instagram. Chill out, bro. Just the approach is the win. Because think about it. You want to overcome your shyness, which means that you need to train yourself to start initiating more conversations. So, getting the Instagram is a level 5 thing. Starting the conversation is a level 1 thing. So start level 1 and then you can build your way up. Eventually, when you've gotten more comfortable initiating the conversations, then you can go for the Instagram, the number. But right now, that's not the priority. Right now is just opening your mouth to a woman. Literally, even if you just say hi as you're walking by her, that's enough. Consider that a win, bro. Because think about it, it's progress. You wouldn't have done that before. You wouldn't have done that 6 months ago. So now that you're doing it today, that's progress. That's better. Now when you cold approach, there are some things to keep in mind. Be friendly. Don't be scary or threatening or anything. And just say what comes to mind. You can compliment if you want. Actually, bonus points if you do. But don't expect to get anything out of it. Literally, the approach is the win. Build up XP by doing the reps. Then you can move to harder things later on. Alright, so that is my 4-step process to overcoming social anxiety and shyness. Start to do these things after each other. Notice how they are from easiest to hardest. Now, if you want, you can mix things up. Just decide for yourself on what's appropriate. Because, hey, I don't decide when the 10 on 10 decides to walk by. So do this. And bro, if you do this, it will tell me and it will tell the world how big your balls are. Do this 4-step process every day. Just once a day, and you'll see how much you change in just 1 month. Just a month. 30 days. Now, you can start level 1 and level 2, and then continue on level 3 and level 4 on the next day. I'm not the boss. I'm just giving you suggestions. Just do what feels right. The aim is just to get more comfortable speaking to people. Now, if you're scared to ask her out and want some inspiration, I made a video about it. Check it out here. You're not early, you're not late, you're just on a different timeline. See you, bro.